A female European honey buzzard bird, recently fitted with a satellite tracking system in Finland, sparked local interest by spending the Australian summer in South Africa. Departing Wrights on April 20th, she reached Finland on June 2nd, likely staying for the boreal summer before returning to South Africa next season. In just 42 days, she covered over 10,000 kilometers, averaging more than 230 kilometers daily. Her straight-line northward journey, with exceptions over water or Sudan, is truly remarkable. After deviating to follow the Nile's source, she returned to her original longitudinal line, continuing until reaching her destination. Mother Nature's wonders never cease to amaze.